let's talk about restoring a backup, because it's great to back things up, but if you can't restore them, what's the point? When you are restoring a backup, whether it's automated or manual, you'll end up creating a new RDS instance, okay? So factor that in about how restoring backups work. Restoring from a manual snapshot is pretty straightforward. You're going to provide the snapshot identifier and the instance identifier to do so. For automated backups, it's very similar, except you are also providing the restore time, because automatic backups use point-in-time recovery, okay? And so it might back up every day, but the point is it backs up at an interval. I think it's 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I always forget. The point is you can choose a very specific interval during that time of day. So it's really useful in that sense. Restoring backup is not a fast process because it creates a new database. So consider that for recovery time objectives. And the reason I want to call this out is because I've had times where I've had to restore a database in production, and then we're waiting around like 20 minutes. Do you know what I mean? To the whole process to do it. And so you just have to understand that it's not as fast as you think. So if there's a case where that happens, that's just what's going to happen, okay?